faculty members, in this video we will learn how we can schedule the question paper in the assignment section before of the end semester examination date. So let us start. First of all, go to assignment tab onto Microsoft Teams, then click on the create button. Then it will show you three options, and the first option is assignment tab. Click on it. Then it will ask to choose a class where you would like to create an assignment. Suppose if I want to create the assignment for BTech CSIT 2018, just select the particular class and then click on the next button. It will populate a page in which you can create the new assignment. So first of all, you need to give the title here. For example, I am giving the title is Python Programming End Semester Examination. Now we need to set the instructions. First of all, student must furnish following information on the top of the sheet. Exam ID, name, that is name of the student, roll number, branch, module name with code, and date of exam. So this instruction we have to supply into this instruction column. Now we need to add the resource. Suppose we want to add the question paper of Python programming. Just click on add resource. It will pop up a window from which you can select the question paper. So select upload from this device. Suppose your question paper is on the desktop, just select the desktop and select the particular question papers. Suppose I am selecting AIST CPL. Then click on the done button. Question paper has been uploaded. Now you can also select the points here. Suppose your question paper is of 100 marks, so we can set it 100 marks. Now the most important thing, if you want to schedule it before 24 hours, so how we can schedule it? With the help of this button, that is edit button. Assignment will pause immediately with late turn-ins allowed. So click on this edit button. Now select this checkbox, schedule to assign in the future. Suppose the exam is on date of 15. Select the date from here, post date. Select the 15 May 2021. Select the post time. Post time, that means from 10 AM we want to post this question paper to the students. So select the 10 AM. Now the due date will be the same, that is 15 May, and the due time will be your 1 PM. So by selecting this 1 PM, we are giving the students 3 hours for completing the exam from 10 AM to 1 PM. Now we need to select the close date also. So close date will be the same, 15 May 2021, but we need to choose here the close time, and so close time as instructed by the controller of examination is 2 PM. So select 2 PM and click on the done button. So before clicking on this done button, you can see that the assignment will post on Saturday 15 May at 10 AM and due is on Saturday May 15 at 1 PM, but the closing time is 2 PM. That means students are allowed to upload their answer sheet up to 2 PM. So click on this done button. So by this way you can assign a question paper onto the post dates. Now click on the schedule button. So when you will click on this schedule button, it automatically sign the question paper onto a particular post date. So still, if you have any query related to the post assignment of the question paper onto MS Team, you can directly ask from me. Thank you.